Good afternoon, everybody. Connie with iReviews.com with a quick tip. I'm just going to show you the best and easiest way to install Windows on your Mac. So what you're going to want to do is, first step, open up your Launchpad and go to Other, which is usually on the first page in the middle. And what you're going to want to do is go to Bootcamp Assistant, and it's going to give you a little important thing here to back up your disk before partitioning it, just so everything's nice and safe if something were to go wrong with the partition. And what you want to click is you want it to download the latest Windows support software from Apple. That's going to install the drivers and stuff and everything in Windows itself once it installs. Or you can, if you create a Windows 7 or later, install a disk from a USB flash drive. You need to make it MS-DOS and stuff like that, and you can you do have the option of installing it on a flash drive, but the easiest way is just to download it right here, and then make sure this is checked to install or remove Windows 7 or later. Then it's going to give you or no, you do need a flash drive to install the my bad, you need a flash drive to install the drivers and everything too. So you're just going to want a flash drive formatted to MS-DOS, and it's going to give you a option, if you have more than one, which one you want to install it to. If you already have Windows 7 installed and just need updated drivers, you can uncheck that and get them there. If you don't want to download these right now and you just want to install Windows, you can check that one. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I would recommend downloading the drivers as you do it, but I unchecked it just so I could show you this step. So I have two drives here. The first one's my SSD, which has my main operating system on it. If you have another drive, you can choose it here. This one is used for Time Machine backups, and it must be erased before installing Windows. So the only option I would have if I was using this one is to erase the disk fully and make one partition for Windows. But I can make a separate partition on Windows on this one, and have what I already have on the drive on one partition and Windows on the other partition. If you have Windows installed on a drive and you want to erase it and make the drive a normal drive again, you can choose this option, restore disk to a single OS X partition, but I don't have Windows installed on either of these, so that option does not show up. So that's how you install Windows 7 or later on a Mac without having to do anything special. You just go there, create the partition. You must have a copy of Windows on a CD. The only way you can the only way you get a USB drive option to install it is if you have a Mac without a disk drive. But Macs with disk drives, you must have the copy of Windows on a disk, and you do need the Windows activation key. So you do have to own the copy of Windows. But that's how you do that. That's Bootcamp Assistant, and this is Colin with iReviews.com. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos.